Swiftic is one of the best mobile app development frameworks available in the iOS platform. It is featured with an easily navigable interface. Using Swiftic is a convenient option as you get 30 days money-back guarantee option for all its plans. Besides, it has another 6 months of success guarantee scheme. Flutter is a UI toolkit by Google Help in building native applications for the web, mobile, and desktop. This UI toolkit is featured with fully customized widgets, which support to create native applications in a short period. Besides, the Flutter's layered architecture ensures a faster rendering of components. React Native is the best JavaScript library to build native applications for all devices and platforms. With React Native, you can develop rich applications for both iOS and Android. It also allows creating platform-specific versions of various components, allowing easy using of single code base across various multiple platforms. This community-driven JS library was introduced by Facebook in 2018. Xamarin is one of the top mobile app development frameworks, and it is net-based. This native platform is introduced by Microsoft. Being a cross-platform and open-source app building platform, Xamarin offers a development ecosystem with backend, API, components, etc. It is a net developer platform supported by various tools, libraries, and programming languages. With Xamarin developers, you can build native applications with the support of an active community for Android, tvOS, watchOS, iOS, macOS, and Windows. Ionic helps you to build interactive hybrid and progressive web applications along with cross-platform applications. This open-source framework offers premium services for creating applications. Ionic covers building applications for the web, Android, and iOS. Besides, while working in Ionic, you can constantly create applications and ship them to the deployable locations. Ionic Studio is the Lightning version of Ionic, and it is quite powerful. You can install it locally to have an easy visual development environment.